Hi, today I am going to cover different integrations needed for a claims system specific to property and casualty insurance. The first system is property evaluation. If I have a claim that involves a property damage, this vendor is going to review the property and inform the insurance company saying this is the maximum amount that we can pay for this property damage. The second integration is personal auto evaluation. Similar to property, the second integration, this vendor is going to review the damaged car and inform the insurance company saying this is the maximum amount that we can pay for this damaged car. The third one is medical bill. Similar to the first two, where the first one is going to take care of evaluating the property, the second one is going to take care of evaluating the personal auto, the third one is specific for medical bills. So in workers' compensation, as we know, we do give coverage for the employees who is working for an employer. If they go for an hospital visit, this system is going to say for every kind of treatment, this is the maximum amount of money that we can pay. So that's why we use this medical bill review system. The fourth one is glass only. If my personal auto got damaged, if I create a glass only claim, and the system will make sure to review those claim and make necessary payments. The next one is after office hours. Most of the insurance companies, they have a specific vendor who can help us to collect the claim which is created after office hours, like after 5:30 or 6 p.m. Comprehensive loss underwriting exchange. So this is a system where we are going to send the claims information so that the policy system can consume the claims information and rate the policy accordingly. Similar to us, every insurance company is going to send the claims here, and that way any policy system which is used to create policies can consume the claims, past claims, and then determine the premium accordingly. Metro systems. In case if there is an accident, personal auto specifically, there are any police reports involving who is involved and what kind of who is responsible for the accident, those kind of reports can be easily consumed using the metro systems. Insurance services office. So every time a claim is created, we as an insurance company need to make sure it's not a fraudulent claim. So claim system has to depend on this vendor to make sure that the same insured have not created a same kind of claim with a different insurance company. That's the reason why every insurance company reports their claim to this system, so that every time a new claim is created, we make a call to the system to make sure that there is no duplicate claim. Policy system. So every time a claim is created, we need to make sure that there is a required coverage for this claim. So when I say required coverage, like it could be coverage or it could be policy is effective or not. So all this information has to be pulled from policy system. Financials. Once we determine that this claim is legitimate, we have to make a payment to the insured or the provider. So that has to be done through the financial system. Not only payments, any general ledger information has to be sent to financial systems so that they have the record of financials information. Car rental. Every time when you create a claim, the customer service representatives or adjusters are now going to create a request to this car rental service so that the insureds can go and rent a car until their car gets repaired. Apart from these integrations, we also have systems like integration systems like subrogation. Say if a claim is created and the total loss amount is like $3,000, and during the review we found out that it's a third party issue, the insurance company can always create a subrogation request to the third party insurance company to claim the amount. In certain scenarios, they are going to pay the full amount. In certain scenarios, they are going to say we are going to pay only 50%. So those kind of interactions are done in this integration system. Next one is salvage. In case of personal auto, if it's a total loss, like the damage is severe, this system will tell you, is this a total loss? Is this not a total loss? Or is this a partial total loss? So that the insurance company can determine if we have to send this car to the salvage or not. Third one is documents. So every claim system has some document requirements where we have to send the documents to the claimant or provider. So we do use this document system. Document systems can be two types. One where we process the document with all the respective logic. One where we save the documents. So contact system. So this system is going to have all the contacts specific to claim. It can be claimant details or the provider details who gives servicing to the insurance companies or the vendors. So every contact will be there. So every time a claim is created, if we need a specific contact, we rely on this system to pull the required contact. I hope you like my training videos. If you like my training videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Thank you.